Linking test cases to user stories in Jira helps track the coverage and ensure that all requirements are tested. Here's how to do it. Create or open a user story. Navigate to the project where your user stories are located. Either create a new user story by clicking the Create button and selecting Story as the issue type, or open an existing user story that you want to link test cases to. Create test cases. If you are using a testing add-on like Zephyr for Jira or X-Ray, create test cases within the same project. Go to the project's Create button, select Test as the issue type, and enter the details for each test case. Link test cases to user story. Open the user story that you want to link the test cases to. Scroll down to the Linked Issues section. Click on the plus icon or more options to add a link. Choose Relates to or a specific link type, depending on how you want the relationship to be defined. Search for the test case by key or summary and select it. Add as many test cases as needed. Verify the link. Once linked, the test cases will appear in the Linked Issues section of the user story. They will show the relationship type and allow easy navigation between the user story and its associated test cases. Use traceability reports. Use reports or dashboards to view traceability between user stories and test cases. This helps ensure all requirements have corresponding tests and helps track the testing status.